Hi friends, today we're going to be looking at how models can help us understand the addition and subtraction of fractions. And today we looked at one model of what we can do in order to understand how to add and subtract fractions. And we looked at pictures. We drew pictures and we looked at what those pictures represented in order to add and subtract. So for example, today we did 2/5 plus 1/5 equals. So we drew a picture of fifths and we colored in 2/5 and 1/5, and we saw that all together we had 3/5, or we subtracted and we did 4/5 minus 2/5 equals, and again we drew a picture of fifths, and we are starting off with 4 out of 5. So we shaded in 1, 2, 3, 4/5. Now when we subtract, it means we take away. So I'm going to take away 2. And now I ask, how many do I have left that are shaded in? I have 2 out of 5 shaded in. So that's a quick review of one of the models. Another model is when we decompose fractions. So we've done decomposing before, and here's a quick reminder of what decomposing means. So decomposing means to separate things into its smallest parts. So with a fraction, the smallest part is called a unit fraction. And unit fractions are when the numerator is equal to 1. So it could be 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, and I'm thinking you're starting to see a pattern here, and that goes on and on. But in every unit fraction, the numerator is 1. Another way to remember that is that the word unit means 1. So we're going to try this work with 3/5. So I'm going to shade in as we go, and watch what I do as I shade in. So I have 1/5. That's a unit fraction. I want the smallest part. 1/5. Now I'm going to add another. I added another 5th. Now I'm at 2/5. And I added another 5th. So 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals the 3/5. Pretty easy. You're taking each part and checking as you go. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. If I count them all together, 1, 2, 3 out of 5 pieces. We're going to try that one more time with another fraction, and this is with 5/8. So I'm going to shade everything in first this time and then count. So I have 1/8, 2, 3, 4, and 5/8. So now I'm going to count how many eighths do I need to make 5/8. So I have 1/8 plus another 8 plus another 8 plus another 8 plus my last 8. So now I have checked off all 5. So I have 5/8. So we just used unit fractions. And you'll probably notice what we just did is repeated addition. And we're going to chat tomorrow. And this is kind of your challenge for tonight. Instead of repeated addition, think of another way that we can represent this problem as an equation. Think about a different operation that would give us the same result as if we were doing repeated addition. So we're going to take a look at this again tomorrow. And remember, this is called decomposing fractions into unit fractions. And this will help us to add and subtract our fractions. Good luck.